Hello guys, so natakaroon sa Matidok. We're going to interview some of the students here in Matidok. So let's start. Pangalan tayo na Strand.
Alexandra Piscos Ganade, Yums.
Jasmine Sheena Etarona, and I came from grade 11 UMS B.
My name is Margie Vilintuan and 11 UMSB.
So here's the question. What application do you usually use using your phone or anything or any technology?
Messenger.
Messenger.
I usually use Messenger.
Next question. How often do you use that application?
I am open to use it daily because I need it for my communication.
I usually use Messenger if need.
Daily kay kuan. Everyday man ko naga-message ako parents.
So the third question, what are the purpose of that application?
Para dili ko kayo mingaon sa ilaha.
To communicate.
Educational purpose and personal.
Next question, what do you like about this app?
What do I like about using Messenger is if there is some information nga need, maano din siya sa Messenger og dali.
I like it because if I need to know something or like kailangan ako mag-ano sa ako ang study ay makaano ko dayon because of that application.
I love Messenger because dili na nimo need og load bitaw kung to message your loved ones. Wala.
Next question, what are the advantages or disadvantages while you are using this app?
Ang advantage is maka-communicate ka, then ang disadvantage is na kayo encounter ng mga bastos nga tao.
To communicate, and the disadvantages is distraction and overusing the cell phone.
The advantage about using Messenger is just like what I have said earlier na if tag Messenger makagather tag some information and mapadali ang communication, and the disadvantages or the disadvantage about using Messenger is like murag mas spend gud nimo ang imuhang time through cellphone.
So last question, despite those advantages, are you still going to use it often or what?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes po. Yes.
So thank you kayo. Thank you.
I'm going to interview some of your students here in Mati Doctors Academy. What is your name?
Alilian Camilo Cabreros.
My name is Miadin Pimakachor.
Lanivir Balocana.
So, number 1. What application do you usually use using your phone or any technology?
Wattpad.
Messenger.
Messenger, Facebook, and Google.
How often do you use that application?
24 hours a day.
To communicate.
Every day.
Next question. What are the purpose of that application?
To enhance my writing skills and reading.
To communicate my loved ones.
For communicating my friends and families, and especially my studies.
Next question. What do you like about this app?
To read and to enhance my imagination.
I like this app because imuhang mga loved ones sa laing country ma-message nimo siya through using Messenger.
I like this app kay makatabang siya sa imuhang akads og especially pag naka-emergency about sa imuhang family, dali ra nimo siya ma-contact or makuan.
So, next question. What are the advantages or disadvantages while you are using this app?
For me, ang Wattpad is wala siya disadvantages because you can learn and read. You can know how to read and write stories.
The advantages of the Messenger is maka-call and maka-text kasi mohang family, your mother or your father, and the disadvantage is ma-addict ka sa app.
Advantages, pero sa to ganiha kay dali ra nimo makuan ka na makatabang siya sa imuha, tapos ang disadvantages kay pero sa tong giingon niya nga naay some apps nga maadi ka, dili na nimo ma-focus tong main kanang apps nga imuha yung gamiton.
Last question. Despite those disadvantages, are you still going to use it often or
Every day.
I-minimize lang na.
Yes.
thank you?
I would like to ask your name, sa, and then your strand.
Good morning. My name is Messi Tresca Almeida from 11 GAS.
I am Griffin Balod from grade 11 GAS.
My name is Jaime Siduero from grade 11 GAS.
Our first question, what application do you usually use using your phone or any technology?
Facebook.
Facebook only.
Messenger.
Second, how often do you use that application?
Every day.
Mostly every day.
Sometimes.
What are the purpose of that application?
Gonna maka-communicate ko sa akong family and friends.
To communicate to my loved ones and also to update it in my school GC.
To communicate my friends and etc.
What do you like about this app?
Akong ganahan sa na apps, if makatanaw ko video na something, then ganasab ko sa mga emoji.
I like this app because it's fun, and also if your loved ones is far from you, you can contact them or communicate.
Ganahan ko na apps kay para makachat ako mga barkada.
What are the advantages or disadvantages while you are using this app?
Ang advantages na ko ay kay malingaw ko. Then ang disadvantages kay kanang maepektuhan ko sa di na ako makahimo sa akong work ay sa studies, then biskan usa di na gyud ko makahimo.
Advantages for me for this app is I can contact my loved ones and also communicate with other people and make some friend. And the disadvantages of this is sometimes when I open this application is I can see bad videos like viral and bad pictures.
The advantage of this app is I can communicate with my friends, and disadvantage is maka-addict siya ba kanang maka-apekto sa pag-eskwela.
Despite those disadvantages, are you still going to use this often or what?
Gina-open lang gyapon na ako siya.
Ina-open Japon.
Sometimes na lang.
So, thank you. We're going to interview some students in different strand, and each strand we need 3 students. So, I'm going to interview the 3 of them. Okay. So, are you ready? Yes. Okay. So, the first question is, what application do you usually use using your phone or any technology?
Messenger, TikTok.
Facebook.
How often do you use that application?
Every day, always.
Every day.
So, what are the purpose of that application?
To communicate with my family. Para malingaw.
Para sa eskwela.
What do you like about the app that you usually use?
Mga videos, memes. Daghan ko makita ang gwapa-gwapo.
Chat sa akong pamilya.
What are the advantages or disadvantages while you are using this app?
Daghan kog matun-an, tapos ang disadvantage kay dugay ko ma-expose o gamit sa cellphone. Ang advantage niya is daghan kay mahibalaan
And sa disadvantage niya is makadaw siya sa mata kay always ka mututok sa cellphone.
Despite those disadvantages, are you still going to use it often or what?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so since we're done interviewing, I would like to ask your name and strand because I forgot to ask this before my interview. So,
Danessa Datuin, STEM B.
Christian Soria is STEM B.
Archie Ligan, STEM B.
okay, so that's all. Thank you.